ZOTAC announced Super Solid series featuring the non-standard GPU configuration. What's up guys, Charles here. NVIDIA hasn't officially announced the new RTX 4070 Ti Super graphics card yet. However, it's not exactly new, as it simply uses a non-standard AD102 GPU instead of the AD103. For this to work, NVIDIA has to disable over half of the GPU to meet the 4070 Ti Super specs, which use 8,448 CUDA cores. Since AD102 and AD103 GPUs are pin compatible, this transition is relatively easy for board partners. Typically, graphics cards with non-official GPU configurations face limited launches in select regions, usually China. This is due to reasons like consumer laws preventing changes to certified products or limited supply of such graphics cards. NVIDIA is simply offloading partially disabled GPUs that wouldn't meet the specs of the RTX 4090D, the lowest gaming variant featuring the AD102 GPU. It appears the company had a large stock of these GPUs, as another company has just announced a new model. ZOTAC is introducing its Super Solid series of RTX 4070 Ti Super models. The interesting part is that one can only learn that this model has an AD102 GPU by reading articles or by looking at the back of the graphics card, where the capacitor layout does not match that of the AD103. It is expected that NVIDIA will not limit board partners from selling these cards outside China, and the fact that ZOTAC shows these cards on their global website is clear confirmation of that. The Super Solid models depart from ZOTAC's iconic shoe design, possibly the most round design on the market. Rather than coming up with something between square and rounded designs, ZOTAC has developed a literal brick. Their Super Solid cards are massive, measuring a 3.5 slot design and over 33.6 centimeter in length. Both cards also ship with a TDP set to 295 watts, which is often seen in AD102-based 4070 Ti Super cards, making it possibly their default TDP, 10 watts higher than the AD103-based cards. We have now confirmed that the ZOTAC RTX 4070 Ti Super Solid will be available in North America. Pricing is not yet confirmed, but this would be another Western country selling the AD102 model following Germany. It's interesting that NVIDIA never announced this model publicly or even mentioned that such a variant may appear. So don't be surprised if your 4070 Ti Super uses an AD102. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.